Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Jennifer Marie, where I teach you different ways that you can make money online working from home. This is another video in my Upwork series on how to become a freelancer on Upwork. If you want to learn all about Upwork and how to get started, make sure to click on the links in the description below this video to watch my other Upwork videos. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to create a specialized profile. And what this means is that on Upwork, there are thousands of different jobs and hundreds of different types of jobs. And let's say that you are both a video editor, but also a graphic designer. When you are applying to jobs, you can create a specialized profile so that if you're applying for a graphic design job, you will submit a proposal attached to your profile that is your graphic design profile, instead of applying to a graphic design job with a video editing profile. So this is a way to look more professional, to show clients that you have particular skills, and to make sure that when you are applying to jobs, it looks like you are an expert or at least have a lot of experience with that particular niche. So you can see here that with a specialized profile, you can tailor your unique skills to your audience on Upwork and create variations of your profile that showcase your experience within specific categories. If you want to get an idea of the different types of categories and skills on Upwork, here are all the different categories and specializations. You can see there are many. So here under frequently asked questions, what's the difference between a specialized profile and the profile I already have? So you will always have a general profile, and your general profile shows all the projects you have worked on in Upwork. So if you have done some writing jobs, some proofreading, some video editing, all the jobs will show up here on your general profile. However, a specialized profile only shows the work history for the projects you choose to feature. It gives you the opportunity to describe one skill or service in more detail. So right here, this is my profile on Upwork, and this is my general profile. So in general, I do mainly voiceover jobs. So my general profile shows not only voice jobs that I have done, but also software tutorials I have done and any type of job that I have accepted and completed on Upwork. However, I also have a specialized profile for voice talent. So this shows all the money I have made just on voice jobs. And my portfolio only features my voiceover demos and not video jobs that I have done for video editing. So how do you create a specialized profile? You're going to go up to the top where it says Find Work and click here on Profile. And here under View Profile, you're going to click the plus icon. And this allows you to create a specialized profile. So right here, they have suggested specialties below based on your profile and work history. So they've already suggested that I create a special profile related to video editing. However, if you want to create another type of specialized profile, let's say you have not done any writing jobs, but you are interested in becoming a writer and showcasing your work, you can click here on See All, then select a specialty, and you can select one of the ones you find, or you can type it in yourself. So here, business and proposal writing, creative writing, script writing, etc. I am just going to click on the video editing one and then click continue. Now you have to select your skills and experience relevant to video editing. So you can click here on all the different skills that you have. So for example, photo slideshow, and you can click under the search bar to search for more skills that maybe aren't showing up. And when you're finished, click Save and Continue. Now you have to create a title. So it says enter a single sentence description of your professional skills experience. For example, expert web designer with Ajax experience. And say you're not sure what you want to put for your title, you can get some ideas by searching for other freelancers who have profiles in your same niche. So how you can do that is opening up another window and going to Upwork. And at the top, instead of searching for jobs, click search for talent. And let's say for me, for example, video editing. So I'm going to look at some other video editor profiles and then click on the profile of the person that you found. Well, you can see he just writes video editor. I recommend putting maybe a little bit more than that. video editing expert. So a lot of these are pretty simple. So let's say, for example, video editor specializing in screencast tutorials. Then click Save and Continue. So now you can use this space to show clients you have the skills and experience they're looking for. You can describe your strengths and skills. They have just copied all of this, which was from my voice profile. Again, you can look at people who are successful in your niche and use what they have written as inspiration for yourself. So you can see this guy, he has a lot of little emojis, but they are captivating. And you can see the types of videos he has created. And he also puts his video and audio edit tools. So then you're going to click Save and Continue. And then you can select the jobs relevant to this specialized profile. So if you have already completed jobs that are relevant to video editing, for example, you can select those. So let's say I'm going to select a job and select as many as are relevant. I'm just going to select a few to give you an example, and then click Save and Continue. So now you can select relevant items to include in your portfolio in your specialized profile. And if you don't see them listed here, what you want to do is upload portfolio items in your general profile first, so then you can select them. Because if you have nothing here, you first need to add items to your general profile. Because again, your general profile contains everything, and then your specialized profile contains things that are directly related to your niche that you are creating a specialized profile in. So I'm going to select these two, which are in my general profile, then click Save and Continue. Then they say review your specialized profile before publishing. So we're going to click Review Specialized Profile. So here you can see I have the video editing, it's a draft. And so before you click Publish, you can make any edits you want. So let's say you want to adjust your price range. Let's say for your video services, you charge less than voiceover. Let's say you put, $70 an hour. You can click on these pencil icons to change your description. And then down here, you can see all the different jobs that you have completed that are related to this specialized profile. Again, you can click on this pencil icon to make any edits to include more jobs that you want to. Now, if you don't have any experience, because no one has hired you yet, you really want to make your profile really, really good. And also down here under your portfolio, click the plus icon and you can add a portfolio project. You can add examples of work that you have done in the past. And I get asked a lot, what if you have no work experience? What if you want to become a video editor, but you have never done a job for anybody, so you have nothing to put here? Well, what I recommend is create a demo video. Go on websites like Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels, take some royalty-free stock footage and create a cool video as a demo, because you do need to show something. No one's going to hire you if they can't see any example of the kind of work you can do. So create some demo videos or scripts or whatever it is to upload onto your portfolio. So when you're done, you're just going to click Publish. It will say, congrats, your video editing specialized profile is now live and can be seen in search results. So you can see here, now I have voice talent, video editing, and then all work is my general profile. Now let's say you want to erase one of your specialized profiles. What you can do is click here on the pencil icon beside View Profile. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says Specialized Profiles. And you can see here that you can create a maximum of 2 specialized profiles. So you can go to whichever one you want to erase. Maybe you want to create a different specialized profile instead because you're interested in another job opportunity. You're going to click on the 3 dots and you can either choose View, Edit, Switch Specialty, or Delete. If you choose Switch Specialty, it says they'll copy over the information from your current specialized profile to your new one if you change your specialty. So this is one way to change your specialty and retain all the information you already had on your portfolio. Or in my case, I'm just going to choose Delete and then Delete. Okay. So now how do you apply to a job with a specialized profile? So let's say we're searching for jobs. Let's say, for example, I wanted to apply to this voiceover job. I can go here, click Submit a Proposal, and then under Proposal Settings, you can choose to either propose with a specialized profile or your general profile. So you'll just click here, and you'll either go General Profile or Voice Talent. And that means that when the person goes to look at your profile, they will look directly at the specialized profile that you have created for voice talent or video editing or graphic design or whatever it is. Now, if you want to apply to a job that has nothing to do with either of your specialized profiles, just apply with your general profile. And then when you're filling out your cover letter and adding attachments, just make sure to show examples of your work that are related directly to the job that you are applying to. Okay, so thank you guys very much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions about specialized profiles or about Upwork in general. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. You can also watch my Upwork playlist talking about everything you need to know to get started as a freelancer on Upwork.com. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial.